What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another amazing stream. Who do we got? Oh, we already got some people in here. 14 likes, 20 viewers, just starting off. We have another great stream today. As always, we're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin and why I think we may have another leg up coming in just the near future. We're going to take a look at that. We're going to look at some altcoins. One that's been pumping, one that pumped quite a bit. We're going to take a look at that. I'm going to update you guys on my DOT trade, and we're going to look at some more spicy altcoins. We'll see if we can get anything that's moving, and hopefully, I could find some good setups like we did with Gala and XRP the other day. I know some people in the chat yesterday were saying that they were really appreciative of me calling that out because I never, never financial advice. I just show you guys what I do. But they were able to make some money, which is awesome. That's what I'm all about on this channel. Like I was saying, you guys making money trading is worth so much more to me than my stupid trades that I got going on. I want you guys to make money. That's what I thrive off of. That's what I look for. That's what makes me happy. And that's what we're all about here. So welcome back to the New York Bagel Factory, where we show you how to make the best egg everything bagels. I'm just kidding. I show you how to make money trading crypto, whether the price is going up or down. Who do we got in the chat here? We got Michael. What's up, Michael? Thomas, thank you guys for coming back. Meta Money in the chat. Don't know if they left yet, but what's up, Brian and Justin? If you guys aren't following Meta Money, go check them out. They're, I'm sure you guys already know about them, but they're putting out the best content on how to make money playing video games. Who thought that would be the future we'd be living in? So as I always say, take that, Mom. Who else we got? Eric, man, what's going on? Thank you for coming through. Dave, what's going on? Dave doesn't like the music. I'm sorry about that, Dave. Frankie, late, man. We're actually early. Stream wasn't scheduled till 5:45, so we're 3 minutes early. Tyler Durden, thank you for coming back, man. Appreciate it. Smash those likes. Lewis, Mark, Blanchard's Bees, good to see you again. Crypto Sasquatch, welcome back. Chris, what's up? Thomas says, I put my life savings into Gala that day. Now I'm rich thanks to you. Hey, we're changing lives out here. We're changing lives. Never recommend putting your life savings, but hey, sometimes it plays out. So Thomas, we're super happy about that. Kelly, what's going on? Great to see you. So guys, we were talking about at the end of yesterday's stream, we were talking about how we were coming up to resistance on Bitcoin. I thought we were going to start cooling off. We were looking at market cipher B. I did expect a cool off, which obviously, if you've been looking at the charts, we did see just a bit. Nothing too scary. It's looking like a healthy correction. But we were saying we were coming up to that fib level. Didn't know if we were going to be able to break up and hold it. We didn't. We came back down. Guys, if you're coming from ATB, I don't know if DZ's still going upstairs. But if you guys are coming from ATB, put a hashtag ATB so I know where you came from. Let's see. Hashtag pump it up. Lewis says hashtag pump it up. Let's go. Rafi, you're back. I couldn't pronounce your name yesterday, so I named you Rafi. I love it. Frankie, my guy, how's it going, brother? We're doing good. We're doing good. Back here in the bagel factory. We got the bagels in the oven because we're always making that bread. But yeah, guys, so we are cool. We were cooling off a little bit for Bitcoin. We did get another little pop. And we are currently sitting back above 44K. Actually, let me just double check that. I know you guys can't see my screen right now. Yeah, so we're sitting above 44 once again, which is great. So we're gonna take a look at Bitcoin, look at some of the alts. I'll update you guys on my trade. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the computer. Let's see. Paul says, let's go. What's up, Paul? Ammo, yo, let's go. ATB is still going on, just about to wrap up. Okay, guys, we're already at 33 viewers. We already got 30 likes. Only 3 of you watching have not hit the like button. If you haven't, hit it. We're still waiting for the ATB crew. I'm sure we'll see when they come flooding in here. All right, guys, let's start taking a look at Bitcoin here. New to the game says, "Hi team, let's make some dollar signs." We are making bread, money, same thing. We'll take the dollar signs. All right, guys, so we are looking here at little bitty over here, little Bitcoin. Whoo, baby. All right. So yeah, on yesterday's stream, you guys will know that we were coming up to this fib level at about 44.8. We did have this resistance line at 45,000 even. We did reject off of 45, right where that Fibonacci level is. So we did come back down just a little bit. Let's zoom in a little bit here. Let's look at the 1 hour. So yeah, so we came up, we hit these 45K. Rejected back down, respected, almost came down to touch this lower Fibonacci level, and we pumped back up. Now, I will say I was very busy today trying to get these videos done for you, these pre-records. Also, important, just uploaded my trading psychology video, just went up, maybe an hour ago, maybe a little less, few minutes ago. So definitely go check that out because, if you watch the video, you will see that trading mindset and trading psychology is, in my opinion, the most important thing. Some people say it's one of the most important things. I think it's the most important because, you can read the charts. You can be the best at reading the charts. Your TA can be the best. You can know the crypto markets. You can keep up with the news. No matter how good you are at all of that, if your trading mindset is off and you're trading with your emotions, you're gonna lose no matter what. So definitely check that video out. I give you guys some tips and tricks. I also show you how you can practice with real money or with fake money. I do recommend using real money because, you got to have some skin in the game to get those emotions to kick up. Guys, if you're coming from ATP around the block pane, no, if you guys are coming from ATB, put hashtag ATB in the chat so I know where you came from. DZ sent me. Karen says DZ sent me. Let's go. Smash the likes. Derek says smash the likes for our boy Frankie and his amazing tea. I appreciate that, Derek. I like you, Derek B. Let's go. Birds Bees just subscribed. I like it. Guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe because we're going to be putting out a ton of really good trading content. I'm going to be showing you guys how to start from zero and take yourself to being a profitable trader, everything in between. I'm going to be showing you guys strategies, basic tutorials, trading psychology videos like the one I uploaded today. If you guys do want to get started, ATB, wow, we got a lot of ATB. Let's go. Look at you guys. You guys are coming in from ATB. Dang, look at that. We got 90 viewers, 66 likes. If you guys smash that like button and we hit 250 likes, I'll do a crazy challenge that you guys pick in the chat. I've been having a couple days off. You guys have been nice. You guys let me go have a workout in peace last night without a challenge. So I'll owe you guys today. Oh, God, chat going nuts. All right, 72 likes. Let's go. But yeah, guys, so if you want to get started trading, I did pin a comment to the chat with my Femex link. If you guys want to get set up for leverage trading, you could also buy spot on Femex if you just want to buy without leverage and hold. That's fine too. But yeah, it's the Femex link is in the description below as well as pinned in the comments. So definitely check that out. But yeah, so we came up to this Fibonacci level, guys. We got rejected, came down. Now I was, like I said, I was busy trying to get all this stuff out for you guys today. So I did miss my entry, but I was looking at this Fibonacci level as a key area to look for a long. Wasn't able to get in. As I tell you guys on this channel, I did not FOMO into the trade because it's never really a good idea. Sometimes you can luck out and you can catch it halfway up, but to me, it's just not worth the risk. But if we did get in down here about, let's say right here, we could have rode it to the top of those wicks. A little 3.2% move, throw some 10x leverage on it. That's a 32% gain on your money. So for example, if you had $1,000 in, you could have made, $320 in just a couple hours. So really cool. Kind of shows you the power of leverage. Obviously, you want to use good risk management because it is risky if you do not, use proper risk management and you don't trade smart. But yeah, I just wanted to point that out because like this, it just goes to show like, Bitcoin makes 1% moves, 2% moves, 3% moves, 5% moves all day long. These moves are always happening on the charts. You can always, you can always jump in and make some profit. So yeah, keep an eye out for this stuff. But I did just want to point that out. You know, I don't typically trade with crazy leverage. I usually, you know, I'll use 10x typically. You know, if I'm really feeling a move and I use a little bit of money that I'm willing to lose, I'll crank it up a little bit. But that's only with money I'm willing to lose. I typically trade with, you know, it depends on the move, but or the setup. But you know, if I'm trading with high leverage, I'm using a lower amount of money because it is riskier. I'm using an amount of money that I don't mind losing. So just keep that in mind, guys. You know, got to be a smart trader. Got to be a smart trader. 105 people in here. Let's go. Tons of hashtag ATBs. Let's see. Who do we got in chat? Smash a lot of hashtag smash a like. Yo, Frankie. Irish River Dance. Yeah, if you guys missed it, the other day I think it was last week. The challenge was Irish River Dance. So go back to the stream from Friday at the end if you want to see me do an Irish River Dance. I had no idea what it was. I kind of just wung it. Let's see. Crypto Sasquatch says the channel's growing fast. Yes, I'm super pumped about that. Hey, maybe it has something to do with that call on Gala, right? Like people, and XRP, right? Like people see that and they're like, maybe I should keep an eye on this guy. But yeah, let's see. Will you be here tomorrow? Birds, bees, and trees. I will be here every single weekday, as well as some weekends. You know, if we have something crazy, I do like to take time off, you know, on the weekends a little bit, but I'm always looking at the chart. So if anything crazy happens, I'm already set up at the house to jump on a live stream while I'm home, you know, for any late night streams if we're pumping or dumping, hopefully pumping. But yeah, so keep a lookout for those live streams on the weekends too, because I will jump on if something crazy is happening. But yes, I will be here tomorrow, same time, same place, here in the New York Bagel Factory. Hey, Frankie. Let's see. What time candle? This is the 1 hour chart right now. Let's see. ETH, please. Amber, we will take a look at ETH. We will definitely take a look at ETH. So happy to catch you live. Crypto in Texas. I'm happy that you caught me live. 127 people, guys. Smash the like button. I have a feeling we're going to hit 250 pretty quick, but that's the like goal. It's an easy goal for you guys to hit. If you want to see me do something crazy, like I said, you guys let me off a couple nights, so maybe I'll pick a real crazy one to do to make up for it. What are your thoughts on DCA trading bots? Jim says. Jim, I've never used a DCA trading bot. I have Justin or J Chains from MetaMoney actually has had some experience with the KuCoin trading bots, and he said he was making money. I can't tell you from personal experience, but he was saying that it was working pretty good. I don't know exactly how the bots work on KuCoin. Like I said, I never tried it myself, but he said he had great success. He liked them a lot. Obviously, you know, dependent on the market environment or the market climate, but maybe worth checking out. I do trust Jay Chains' opinions. Let's see. Frankie, nice vid about trading habits. Thanks for that. Yes. Yes, Jeremias. I don't want to butcher your name, but he's talking about the psychology video I just put up. Definitely watch it. If you want to get into trading, you want to try to your full-time job, quit that boring 9 to 5 and live on your own terms. You know, definitely go check out that video because that's the main stuff that you have to. I'm going to be putting more out because it's really important. You got to get the mindset down before you can start trading successfully. You know, you don't want to be trading with your emotions. You got to get that. You know, you got to get that under control. Let's see. Trap C Goody says I should give out some Bitcoin because I'm up. We actually were talking about doing some giveaways on this channel. I am interested in that. I think everybody else obviously will be. So we will be doing that on the channel at some point. 133 people. Let's go. Smash those likes, guys. If you want to see me do something crazy. Enough of this. Let's get back to the charts, guys. You know, that's what you're here for. But yeah, so I just to, you know, ingrain some of this into, you know, your thoughts. I'm always looking to come down to key levels, right? We pumped, you know, we caught some altcoin trades on the way up with Bitcoin. I did not trade Bitcoin specifically, but I did catch some alts. Came up to this key level, 45K. That was showing, that was a key level of resistance. If you haven't watched the key level videos, I'm just shilling here, guys. If you haven't watched my key levels video, go watch that and you would have learned this and you could have seen this coming as well. But yeah, we came up to the 45K resistance. I was looking for a rebound down. Could have grabbed a nice short off of that. What would that have turned into? Let's see. Let's just say you caught the bottom and the top. That would have been 5%. Throw 10x leverage on that. 50%. If you're trading with $100, you make $50 in just, you know, under a day. If you're trading with $1,000, obviously that would be like $500 and something dollars. So just trying to show you the power of leverage. But yeah, so you could have caught a nice short off there. I was waiting for it to come back down here to look for possible longs right here. We didn't come back, we didn't come down quite to touch this line, but we got close enough. And then, got that little move back up there. Now, let's talk about why I think that we might see another leg up. Obviously, we're starting to see a little bit of a pump here. Can we break through this resistance, that 45K resistance? That would be huge. But something that I was looking at the charts, as I always do. Now, if you take a look here, we talked about the 4-hour and 15-minute VWAP and money flow crossover yesterday. If you guys weren't here, real quick, I guess I'll just explain it and you'll catch on. But basically what you're looking for is the 4-hour VWAP to be coming up. If you guys don't know, I know a lot of you know now, the VWAP is this yellow wave right here. What you're looking for is to wait for this yellow VWAP wave to come up to this white 0 line right here and cross over the 0 line. Once that happens, what you can do is you could come on down to, you want to mark it, and then you come on down to the 15-minute and you look for a money flow crossover. This red wave, these red and green waves right here. Red down here, green up here. You want the money flow wave to come up and curve up and cross up at the same time as the 4-hour VWAP. If that happens, it's typically a very, very, very good strategy to catch big moves. So I am keeping an eye on that, as you do see that we are in the red, on the money flow, and that 4-hour VWAP is coming up. Depending on when this 4-hour VWAP decides to cross over, we will be checking on the 15-minute. Maybe, let's see how much time. If you guys don't know on TradingView, if you come to the right side, if you look right here, you can see the countdown timer. That is a countdown to the next candle printing. So let's see, we got an hour left. We will be live for another hour, so maybe we see this start to cross up. So we'll check on this. Remind me in chat in about an hour if you guys are still here to check on Bitcoin's 4-hour, 15-minute VWAP money flow, and we'll see if we can happen live. Maybe we could jump into a trade. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that could bring us up. Now let's see here. Oh, Thomas says when live trading, depending on this move, maybe today, but maybe not. Like I said, I don't want to force myself into trades just so I'm in trades for the live, just because I'll be forcing it, and it might not work out too well. So I want to make sure that I'm not forcing anything. But yeah, I mean, if this happens, I'll jump into a trade for sure, and I'll take you guys along for the ride. Let's see. Douglas says, ATB, welcome to the Frankie Candles channel, where we show you how to make money, whether the price is going up or down. Where's my money? Where's my money? Someone took my money. Oh no. Guys, I don't have my lucky stack of $10,000 on the table. Unbelievable. Yeah, someone took that. Okay. Anyway, let's see. Grant, thank you for being here. Captain Kirk, everybody give a round of applause for Captain Kirk. She's been trading. She's jumped in. She's taken the leap. And she's winning. She's winning her trades. So everybody, hashtag congratulations to Captain Kirk. I'm super, super, super happy about her having some success trading. She actually commented on one of my videos and mentioned she got another winning trade. So welcome back, Captain Kirk. I appreciate you being here, and I'm happy for your success. Let's see. What platform do you use to trade on? I can't get TradingView to work with my exchanges. Sorry, I'm new. Nathan. So I use, right now, what you see on my screen here, this is TradingView. You can get a free account. And then to trade, I use Femex. And if you look in the chat, I pinned a comment with a link to Femex. You can click on that and sign up with my referral link. Also a link in the description for that. So you can click there, sign up. Depending on where you live, you might need a VPN. I recommend using a VPN no matter what. But yeah, so just get you could Google free VPN extension or, free VPN, download that, turn it on, and then you can sign up for that and click the link in the description and you can get started. Let's see. Love the energy, bro. Watch your live streams when I'm on long drives. Jimmy Two Shoes. No, we already have a Jimmy Two Shoes. You could be Jimmy Bag of Donuts. How about that? No problem, man. I appreciate that. By the way, speaking of energy, today's energy is brought to you by Red Bull and DZ. Look at that. Say hi, DZ. But yeah, today's energy is He's lagging. I don't know. I don't know. Or maybe you guys can't see him. I don't know. But today's energy brought to you by Red Bull, never Red Bear. So yeah, thank you. I appreciate that. Who said that? I forget. Thank you for that, though. I appreciate it. Let's see. Rafi says, I didn't take your money. I believe you, Raf. Let's see. Brad, what's going on? Hashtag congrats, Captain. Wow, everybody's happy. Look at that. And hey, guys, I hope to see this chat full of people winning trades. That is my thing. We had a couple people yesterday talking about they made money on my Gala call, MXRP. We got Captain Kirk. She did say she did it with her own TA, which makes me even happier. But yeah, I hope you guys are all making money in the chat very, very soon, so we could get hashtag congrats everybody. Let's see. What else we got? Let's see. Everyone's saying hi, DZ. Yeah. You know what? Maybe he does. Maybe he does have my money stacked. That's why he came in here to say hi, but he's really just trying to steal my stack of money. Unbelievable, this guy. I know you're a day trader, but I study gas fees, and it seems like Saturday night 11, Sunday 3 a.m. is when they are the lowest. Yeah. Gas fees, if you guys are dealing with gas fees, sometimes like weird hours of the night is the best time to do those when you're dealing with the gas fees, because at just weird times, not a lot of people are trading, and the gas fees do come down. The network's not as congested. Yes, Jim, you're right. Ben does have a VPN on his deals page. I think you get a discount. So you could definitely go there. And they also make a ton of free ones. If you use Google Chrome, just Google, or go to the Chrome extension store and just type in VPN. I think ExpressVPN is free and easy to use. 152 people, let's go. 124 likes, guys, run up the likes. Run it up. Let's go. And we're gonna do something crazy at the end of the stream. We're gonna have some fun. Also, guys, I bring this up all the time. Give me one sec. Put your ideas in chat for what we should do with this Wheel of Fortune or Wheel of Misfortune, Wheel of Pain, Wheel of Trades, Wheel of Coins. I don't know what we're doing, but we got to do something fun with this thing, because I was thinking maybe like, we could put altcoins, or we could do like, one, if it's a punishment, it could be like enter 100x long on something. Never recommend doing this. It would be fun. I would be using money that I'd be willing to just lose completely. You have very low amount of money. But yeah, that could be, enter 100x long on SHIB right now. Can't look at the charts, just jump in. And I just think it'd be like a fun way to lighten up the stream and have some fun. So yeah, let me know what you guys want to do with that wheel. I think you guys could have some pretty good ideas. All right, let's see. DZ stole it and bought Chainlink. Yeah, he's trying to get more than 3 Chainlink. He's trying to get his Chainlink bag up there. Actually, at our meetup in Texas, somebody actually brought him 3 links of a chain as a joke. I thought it was hilarious. It's funny because we were talking about doing that in my stream, so I don't know if that's where it came from or someone else thought of it, but it was pretty funny. Let's see. Lottery. Can you show how to do long and short trades? I don't know how to say your name. I'm sorry. But yes, if you look at my Femex tutorial on the channel, I literally go on Femex and show you step-by-step how to enter a trade, how to set your stop losses, how to do all that step-by-step. Super quick, super easy. And then maybe if you stick around to the end of the stream and the charts look good, we can enter one right now. But that'll be dependent on the charts. Crypto Jimbo says he likes the wheel idea. So do I. I think that we could have a lot of fun with that wheel. Maybe when we do giveaways, we can add a couple of the spots. Could be, send Jimbo 3 Chainlink. Send Captain Kirk 10 Cardano. Who knows? But yeah, I think that could be cool. Is there a rule as to when divergence has been played out and is ready for reversal, such as the recent Bitcoin 1-hour bearish divergence? Okay, actually, we'll talk about divergences in a little bit. The next videos I will have coming out, guys, is going to be a market cipher tutorial, how to read cipher B, which is these blue waves down here. I'm going to show you guys what everything means, how to read them, and just kind of demystify it a little bit for you guys. But we could look, and then maybe I'll come up with a divergence strategy. But we could take a look at divergences here in a second. Let's see. I'm new here, came over from BitBoy Crypto, and I am right Am I right in saying that you use TradingView for graphs and then you trade on Femex? Can Binance be used as an alternative? Joe, yes. I use TradingView to look at the charts, and then I go to Femex to trade. However, on Femex, when you get into a trade, the trading dashboard, or whatever you want to call it, the trading page, does have a TradingView chart on it. I just, I'll keep an eye on it, but I use TradingView separately with all my indicators and everything separately from Femex. But they do have a chart on Femex. But yes, you are right in saying that. You can leverage trade on Binance. I recommend Femex because that's what I use. That's what I like. Their app is amazing, super user friendly. So yeah, I definitely recommend Femex. But Binance works too. Hey, to each his own. You do it whatever you want, whatever you're comfortable with. That's fine. Nothing wrong with that. Looks like it may be bull flagging. All right, we'll take a look at that. XRP spiking right now. Let's take a look at XRP. And we're going to be taking a look at some altcoins, guys. One that has been pumping like crazy. Look at that, 87%. I mean, 87 cents. Okay. Okay, maybe let's go down to a smaller time frame here. Going to the 1 hour. Look at that, guys. I think we're at least going to pop over this fib level. Let's see. 30-minute, yeah. Yeah, maybe let's see if we could flip this into support here. This fib level, we're testing that right now. We'll have to see. Let's go down to the DGen 1-minute chart. Look at that. Always fun to look at. But let's just see if we could come down, flip this to support for another move higher. We're gonna take a look at Atom very, very soon. That's the 1 minute. Yeah, we're gonna take a look at Atom. Let's see. I guess, all right, so let me show you. Let's look at this. This is Leo. Look at this move. Holy Toledo, as they say. Look at this. This is a massive, 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 can't see, 63% move. Dang, look at this, look at this. So we're gonna take a look at this. We'll just jump into it right now. So guys, back to what I was saying with the 4 hour. This is a perfect example. So right here, you can see, let me just this is Market Cipher B with the blue waves for those of you who don't know. So as you can see, I have this yellow vertical line drawn right as the VWAP, this is the 4 hour chart, just as the VWAP is crossing over this white zero line, right? So I put this vertical line here, back the candles, and we're gonna go over the 15-minute chart, and we're gonna adjust it, and we're gonna come all the way back, and look at that. This is a great example of this strategy that we were talking about. You get the money flow crossover right at the same time on the same line with the 4 hour VWAP. And I mean, it's the sauce, guys. I'm giving you the sauce. The Sunday sauce, as always. If you took that trade based off of just that strategy alone, you would have been big up, right? I don't know where or if you could trade Leo with leverage. Put 10x leverage on 67% though. That's 670%. But even without leverage, you put some, you buy this, hold it off of that one strategy, and those two, just between the 4 hour and the 15-minute, you could have made 67%. Insane. But that is a perfect example of this is something you guys can keep a lookout on the charts to try to get into these moves. Obviously, nothing plays out 100% of the time, but these are good. This is the sauce. Get your notepad, get your pen, and write that down, because this is big. This is very useful. So definitely remember that. Let's see. What do we got? Dylan, thank you for being here. Dylan Parker in the chat, everybody. Let's see. My body, what's up, man? Happy Taco Tuesday. Taco Tuesday. That's actually, I'm gonna get tacos tonight. Thank you for that. You reminded me. Let's see. Taco man. Taco man. Check out Bunnyverse, up 95% in the last 30 days. Bunnyverse, what's the ticker symbol on that? I will take a look. VeChain TA, please. Hashtag value. Let's go. That's what I like to see. Pedro, if you guys are learning anything, hashtag value, hashtag bing bong in the chat. I was just giving you guys the Sunday sauce. I got the pot in one hand, I got the ladle in the other hand, and I'm just giving you guys the sauce like this. We're giving you sauce, so you can make that dough. You can get you can make your bread, right? And then you put the sauce on the bread, and everybody's breaking bread together. Let's see. All right, VeChain, Avax, VeChain, HBAR. Yes, Tony, we can look at fib retracements in a second here. Hashtag big value. I appreciate that. Happy to know you guys are learning stuff here. Hashtag bing bong. Let's go. Hashtag bing bong. All right, let's see. All right, let's look at VeChain real quick. All right. Boom. Okay, let's go. Starting on the daily, guys. When I look at stuff, I usually start on the longer time frames. I start on the daily. I work my way down, but I like to basically the thinking behind that is you want to look at a longer time frame to identify the market environment that you're in, or the market trend, right? The long-term trend, right? So like. Right here, clearly you're in a crazy downtrend. If you're in the middle of this, you're not going to be looking for longs, right? It's going to be really hard. You're going to keep getting stopped out. That's not to say that you can't scalp long in a dump. You can, I do, but generally you want to be trading. The trend is your friend. You want to be trading with the trend, right? It depends on how active of a trader you are. If you're like a scalper, you could jump in and out and get scalp longs and scalp shorts. You can pull that off, but typically, if you're just starting out, I would say just stick with the trend. Like, I mean, if the price is dumping like this long term, like, why would you be trying to go against that? It doesn't really make sense. But yeah, oh yeah, look at this. VeChain was in that same set, looked exactly like Gala, where we were calling it, calling it right here. Looked exactly the same. Probably should have picked up some more VeChain too before this rip. Before I'm going to come back to VeChain real quick, but I do just want to let you guys know, if you didn't see the stream yesterday, my basic, my general thoughts on Bitcoin is with the weekly VWAP crossover, which you guys know is very, very big. We printed that green dot on the momentum wave. I mean, these bring us up a minimum of like 25, 30%, 35%, and a lot of times much more. But I am looking, I do think that this crossover does have a chance to bring us up to like 48, 50-ish K. And then we'll see what markets look like when we get there. It's not, I'm not saying the bull run's back on. We're going to new all-time highs, but I'm just saying, like, I do think like this crossover could be big. We could come back up, close to 50K. And whether we get rejected and dump back down there into the depths of a bear market, we'll have to see. But right now, my next level is we got to break 45. Hold it as support to move closer to 46, 48, and 50. And we'll be keeping a close eye on that. But I know I do this a lot, but I'm just doing it for people who may just have gotten here and haven't seen the streams. But if you look at these weekly VWAP crossovers, this yellow wave crossing over this white line, you had one right here. If you look at the price action, that was right, printed the green dot right here, boom, brought us up like 50%. And then we took a little retracement and eventually went up over 100%. And then you got another crossover right here. If you look at the price action, obviously massive move. This was like, this is like the beginning of the bull run. Printed that green dot, eventually came up, 522%. So these weekly VWAPs are nothing to mess around with. They're pretty serious. They do give you big moves. Also, this VWAP does look very similar to the one that happened after the May dump and the summer consolidation area right here. And this was the May dump. It does look, it came down and it was very, very long and kind of stuck to the zero line, very similar to this one, very long. So, we could springboard and, like I said, up to about 48, 50K is what I'm looking at. Just remember, anything can happen, but that is what I'm looking at. I think, this is nothing to joke. Take this seriously. This is pretty big signal. Okay, back to VeChain. I didn't forget. We're going back to VeChain, guys. We're going back. If I could ever find it. We'll just do this. That's not what we wanted at all. That's not, guys, what's going on? What's going on? There it is. Okay. Back to VeChain. Going over to the daily. Okay. So you got the money flow coming up on the daily, right? We could cross over into the green so that is a good sign. Probably looking at some pretty decent resistance right there. Yeah. But let's see, moving down, let's go down to the 4. I usually go daily. I mean, it's different every single time, but you know, sometimes if I'm looking quick, I'll go daily, you know, maybe 12-hour, 4-hour, or daily 4-hour. But basically the important thing is that you identify your structure on the longer time frames and then move in and zoom in on the lower time frames to you know, get closer to the price action, see what everything is doing. Okay. So yeah, we're hitting here. Same thing. I mean, the VWAPs on all these 4 hours are obviously all basically the same from Bitcoin. But you know, if we see that, guys, hopefully we can see that by the end of the stream. It'd be really cool if we can get into a trade right then. That would be great. But yeah, I mean, the altcoins are, you know, especially with like VeChain, stuff like that, like it's very tied to Bitcoin's price, right? So like I don't really go too far into it unless I see something like Gala and XRP and or even VeChain, where you're sitting in this consolidation period, you're sitting on top of support, and it looks like a good buy. Then you know, I'll look into it. But for the most part, you know, everything is other than our friend Leo here. You know, everything. We're back. We're back, guys. I saw it in the chat. You guys were right. The Pluto Alliance aliens scooped me up for a second. They wanted some of those fire egg everything bagels. But luckily, you know me, Frankie Candles, aka Frankie Bagels. I always got 2 egg everythings in my back pockets. So they beamed me up. I gave them the 2 bagels, and then they pieced me out back down. And we're back. And they froze my stream so you guys didn't miss anything. Now that I completely forgot what we were talking about, let's see. Maybe someone can try to remind me in the chat. But we got BJ, our technical director, and thanks to him, he keeps things going. He keeps the streams up. When they blue screen, he fixes them. He's spinning the wheel of pain right now. We don't know what's gonna happen. What do we got? What do we got? Blue. We got blue. Yikes. All right. Shout out to BJ. Shout out to BJ, everybody. He's the one that gets the streams back up. All right. Okay, so back to this. What were we talking about? Adam, oh, right. We were talking about bigging and bonging in this channel and getting the 20% gains. And now I'm just being handed random objects. And
you spun blue on the Wheel of Pain.
Oh, that's, yeah. When you spin blue on the Wheel of Pain, you get handed a bracket and a jug of water. If anyone was wondering, stay hydrated. So we're talking about Adam bigging and bonging. Thank you, BJ. We're bigging and bonging in this channel, and like I was saying, you know, 20% with 10x leverage, you can get some serious gains out of that. Get rid of that bracket. Let's get rid of this jug of water too. But yeah, so people get bored, and to me, the chop is where the money is made. But yeah, happy that you guys are back. 114 viewers. The stream went down, and then we crashed down to 55 viewers, I guess because everyone was trying to refresh the page. And we got them all back. 164 likes. Let's go. If you have not hit the likes, please smash them now. Let's see. Hashtag value. Hashtag bing bong in chat. Captain Kirk. Let's go. They're trying to block the sauce. That's right. That's right. Trap says they're trying to block the sauce. No one can stop the Sunday sauce. You know what I'm saying? Nobody. Let's see. Let's see. Blue for blue screen. Oh dear, blue is 500 on safe moon. Hashtag Bing Bong underscore BJ. I like that, Captain Kirk. Okay, Rafi says, holy bad word. Just had deja vu. Was watching your stream and you spoke about the Wheel of Pain. Freggy baby, check out XRP having a run. Is it still going? Are we still going? Yeah, we're keeping an eye on it. We're keeping an eye on it. Okay. We'll go down to the DGen chart, right? We'd like to keep a close eye. We'll keep an eye on it. We're cooling off a little bit here. Okay. What do you guys want to look at? We looked at, oh, I did want to, let's just take a look at Atom just because I have it up real quick here. So yeah, again, oh, this 4 hours looking strange. Okay, so yeah, you have the 4 hour VWAP kind of hiding behind this red wave, but it's curving up. I am keeping an eye on Atom. You know, we came back down to this channel, as we know. Atom loves these channels. So you know, we came back down to here. Has been pretty good resistance in the past. So I was looking maybe to enter a long position here. What is this channel? Let's see, from the bottom. We won't even go from the current price, from the bottom. Yeah, 10%. So guys, like when you see like this, you know, we haven't been in this channel for long, obviously. Like I wouldn't even really confirm this yet. But, you know, just to show you guys like how little of a move you need to make decent money when you're using leverage. 124 people, 172 likes. Sorry, I always keep an eye out on the side. You know, I always keep a side eye on the likes. 125 people. Thank you all for being here. Smash the likes. But when you like, you only need a little bit of a move, right? So if you come down here, let's go down to a lower time frame. Let's go to 18 minutes. Let's go to the 15 minute. Okay, so you know, when you come down here, right, we tested this area twice, didn't come all the way down to the line, but you know, you did find, you know, some support right here. You know that it's been respected in the past. You know, this area, I mean, just in general, this area, you know, if you draw it as a range, but you are getting, you know, a little support there, a little support here, a little support here. This line has acted as resistance in the past. So, you know, you could be pretty sure that, like, you know, if you come back down here, we went up, came back, touch it a second time right here. I mean, that's a decent spot to, you know, expect a move upward. And if you did, what would this move have been? Let's just see real quick, right? Oh boy. So guys, if I had $1 for every time I use the brush tool when I just simply want to drag, and I just make a random line because I'm still on the brush tool, I would not have to trade because I would be a multi-trillionaire. Anyway, sorry, that was a little bit of a rant. Anyway, so let's just say you took this trade. Let's say you got somewhere in on this candle and you wrote it up. Like that's 2%, and you're not even, you know, that's roughly 2%, maybe a little more, and you're not even like maybe you're a quarter of the way up to the top of this channel. If you come up to test here, and that 2% with 10x leverage is 20% profit. That's easy money. And then we will talk about divergences quick today. I do just want to bring it up because it's super powerful, especially with Market Cipher B. Let's see, Crypto Anon, LFG. I agree, my friend, LFG. You guys know what that means. What hour-long chart do you look at if you want to swing trade? It just all depends, right? Like, it depends. I really scalp, right? Scalping meaning just, you know, I'm in and out of trades super fast, typically. Right now, my dot trade has been open for a while. I'm just trying, because I've taken profit twice already. Actually, let's check on that real quick. Let me just see let's look at the app. I already took profit twice, and my stop loss is deep in profit, and I'm just kind of trailing my stop loss up with the profit. So I'm just going to ride this thing out until I get stopped out in profit. But currently up 267%. I already took some profit at 330% or something like that twice. So, you know, we're green, guys. We're green on this trade. Just like you guys were green on your Gala trades. Let's see. What's up, everyone? Some meme coins you guys are checking out. So this is my thing with meme coins, right? I don't buy meme coins for the most part. I'm not going to say what meme coin I have or any of them that I buy because they're typically very risky. And when I buy them, I expect them to go to zero. I put money in, and I go, this is a gamble. Like I'm at the casino and I know this money's probably going to disappear. But so I'm not going to tell you the coins I'm in. To be honest, I don't really trade meme coins that much, like very rarely. So like honestly, like I don't even want to talk about it. But typically for meme coins, like I'm putting in money I can't lose. And you know, I'll buy a couple. If one of them hits, then it makes up for the losses on the other ones. But I typically don't. But meme coins like Safe Moon or like meme coins like Baby Floki, Lamborghini Inu, like those are really, really risky. But if you're talking meme coins like Doge or you know, or Sheeb, that's a little different. That's a little different. But like I always tell people, like I don't hold any Doge, I don't hold any Sheeb. Would I have made money if I bought them in the past and held them? Yeah, probably. Can you make money trading them? Absolutely. I don't buy them because there's no use case. I like to buy good projects. I like to invest in, you know, projects that have actual use case and will be around in the future. But you know, Dogecoin's basically a blue chip meme coin. Blue chip meaning like very, very high up. You know, one of the main players. And then, you know, Doge knighted Sheeb into that, you know, meme coin, the higher class of meme coins. So you know what, if you know, people ask me, should I buy Doge? Should I buy Sheeb? Especially if they're just getting into crypto. Those are the ones they know. And I tell them, I say, I don't buy them for the reasons I just mentioned. But like, you know, can you make money with them? Absolutely. You can't argue that. A lot of people hate meme coins. They hate Doge as trash. People are making, millionaires have been made. Many millionaires have been made off Doge. So I don't hate on it. I just don't personally invest in them. Maybe I'll day trade it, leverage trade Doge a little bit. I actually haven't, but I would, you know, if I saw a good setup. Listen. I don't know who said this. I heard DZ say it. He said someone else said it. I don't know who said it. But like, I don't hate it. I don't date it. I just trade it. Okay? That's kind of how I feel about meme coins. Let's see. Hashtag Jimmy Void. Let's go. Jimmy from the Bronx, baby. Jimmy from the Bronx. Avax. You want to look at Avax? Let's look at Avax. Okay. So guys, this thing you see here on the chart, this was, I was looking at an Atom Long, that was going to be my entry price. I just let it run. I was going to delete it, but we'll just see. We'll see what happens. It'll be fun. Let's see if you guys think we're going to hit our take profit there or no. Actually, let's move this up. These take profits are not even set. I kind of just put it there as an entry. Yeah, I'm not going to focus much on that. I'm just going to let that ride out. Let's see. And that's why I tell you guys that you should probably trade. If you want to practice, trade with a small amount of money. Don't just, I mean, you can practice using this tool. I do recommend it. If you don't want to start with money and you're really like risk averse and you don't want to waste your money, you can practice with this tool. It's, you know, just the long position. There's a short position too. You click at your entry price. You could set your take profit. You could set your take profit. You could set your stop loss, you know, to whatever you want. But you can do this, but there's no emotion, right? Like I'm just gonna let this ride. I don't care which way it goes. So I recommend if you want to practice to start with $100 or start with $50 or start with 10, whatever it is to you, amount of money that you're willing to not even just throw away, but to invest in like education. Basically, is kind of how I think about it. You know, when I was a beginner, you know, maybe I put like $100 in, whatever it was, and I was like, I'm just gonna do small trades, and because it's real money and there's real money that you can make and lose. You get the emotions of that trading gives you that you have to fight. You don't want to trade with your emotions. And having that just small amount of money, just the fact that it's real money does help with that. Whereas if you do this, you're not going to feel that emotion at all. You could try to feel it, but it's just not going to work. But this is a good way to, you know, if you're just looking to play around, this is a great tool. I wish I knew about this when I was starting. I didn't even realize that this was a thing until later on. Okay, Avax. Let's take a look at Avax. Try to get better at remembering the coins that you guys call out. I promise. Let's look at the Binance chart. Okay. Okay. Oh, boom. Look at this. Plus the 15-minute. Okay. Is that? Okay. Let's look at the 4-hour. All right. How much longer do we have? Oh, this. Okay. 27 minutes for the 4-hour candle to print. And if that does happen, we're going to be checking the money flows on some of these coins. Maybe we'll get into a trade. Maybe we will. I don't know. I'm not going to force it because I don't want to get into bad trades just so we can do them live. Because I don't want you guys to pick up bad habits. You know what I mean? But I think this will probably cross up. But yeah, back to Avax. Sorry, I just got away from it. Boom. Okay. Let's go to the daily. So, oh wow. Okay. Let's see. We'll just go from there. Yeah, up about, well, from the bottom, up 74%, guys. Wow, I do not have any AVAX. I wish I had that. But like I've said in my streams before, you can only buy so many coins. You know what I mean? Eventually run out of money. There's just some that I missed out on. I missed out on Gala originally. We had someone at the office trading Gala when it was like 7 or 8 cents, and they were telling me, get in, get in, get in. I had no money to buy it. I was already invested in all my stuff, and woof, baby, do I wish I listened to him. But yeah, okay, so nice pump off the bottom. Yeah, coming up to this resistance at about, you know, $95. So I'll just put a rough line there. And yeah, I mean, let's go down to the 1 hour. Gotta zoom in a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, momentum kind of coming to the upside. Yeah, I mean, let's see if we could flip this. If we can get past this resistance and flip it. Let's pull a fib on it. Let's go choose the daily. Let's go from here, guys. If you want to know how to use the Fibonacci retracement tool, go to the Finding Key Levels video on my YouTube channel and check that out. I show you guys how to find key levels. Look at that, guys. And this is like the magic of the Fibonacci retracement. Now, but like it wicks right up to that level. Oh no, that's our line. Okay, I'm sorry, that's our. Okay, so our line's good. But no, yeah. So we're hitting that resistance. So we actually got rejected off of this fib level right here, which is about, yeah, like 80. It's like $90. Or no, $89. But yeah. So that's kind of like I say, it's about $90, which is psychological area of support. As you guys know, we talk about this a lot recently. Psychological areas of support are very, very strong because we're human. We like even numbers. A lot of people put orders in at those areas, which make them act as very strong support and resistance. So, you know, people who are waiting for, you know, the bears wait, or the, you know, people might be down on their trades, right? And then it comes up to this level, and they're like, if it ever comes up here, I'm selling because it's in profit. So you get up to this level, all those orders get filled, it pushes the price back down. So that's why those areas are so strong. But yeah, rejecting off of this, we wicked up to this line, but we are getting rejected off of. Let's zoom in. Let's get a closer look here. Yeah, so we're getting rejected off of our line, and then probably looking to make its way. Probably looking to make its way back up to this Fibonacci level here. Yeah, so we wicked up here, came back down. Probably going to test this fib level one more time. Hopefully get up there, depending on if Bitcoin does have a pump in it today, or in the near future. If we can get that pump soon, probably going to see some upside for AVAX. Obviously, guys, a lot of the alts. Like I know a lot of people don't even look at the alts because it's like, you know, on their streams and stuff, because it's like they all look the same. They're all following Bitcoin for the most part. Like I said, other than like outliers like Leo, obviously this thing's just ripping. I actually just heard about this like right before I came on stream. So I did want to bring it up, but I don't know if this pumped off of news or I don't know. I don't know what caused this pump. But let's see. I did show you guys that it was showing that the horizontal right there with the money flow crossover. Oh no, that's the. If you go to the 4 hour, I'm not going to really spend a lot of time on this because we just talked about it. But yeah, you have the VWAP crossover right here over the 0 line, and then you come down to the 15-minute, and it was right on that money flow crossover. When you have those two things coming together, usually you see a pretty big move to the upside, obviously. And this is how you guys can catch those moves. Again, Sunday sauce. This is how you catch it, guys. This is what you need to see. You know, obviously it doesn't play out 100% of the time. Nothing does. But yeah, you can get some really sick trades off of that strategy. All right, let's check chat. I've been neglecting chat. I'm sorry. Market Cipher is free. Where and how, and can I use it on my phone? You can use Market Cipher on your phone. However, it is not free, Captain Kirk. I believe, I don't want to butcher the prices, but I think like that there's like a 6 month and a lifetime. I think the 6 months is like $600 or something, and then like $1,500 for the lifetime. Don't quote me on those prices. You go to the BitBoy Crypto Deals page and go to the Market Cipher website, and you can see the prices there. I'm not 100% sure. I do think those are the prices though. Let's see. Let's go, Brandon. Welcome to the chat. Let's see. When will the small caps get their time to shine? All of my larger caps have been doing good, but small caps absolutely dead, doing nothing at all and no volume. Yeah, we haven't really seen that crazy parabolic altcoin season that we typically see in a Bitcoin cycle. And, you know, it's like, it's so hard. We're in a weird cycle. I mean, we talk about this every day. You know, you know what? On the BitBoy Crypto live stream, Blockchain Backer was on today. We had him on as guest, and he was spitting knowledge on that stream. Like, we were all infatuated. Blockchain, if you guys don't know Blockchain Backer, he's like another TA guy. He does really good TA, but he was dropping some really good knowledge. So go check that out. He talks about how he called the top at 69 and where he thinks we can go from here. So definitely go check that out. But yeah, we haven't seen that crazy altcoin season, you know, where people, you know, Doge is making millionaires. So, you know, we are dealing with a little bit different of a cycle this time around. Are the cycles completely destroyed? Who knows? But yeah, I can't tell you when they're going to pump or if they're going to pump. But I will tell you this, they're most likely going to move if Bitcoin moves its way up to 50K into the 50s. You could bet that when people start taking profits out of Bitcoin, obviously it all trickles down into the smaller cap coins. That's basically how it works, guys. Bitcoin rips, right? People take profits and they drip it down the list of market cap, and it drips down into the smaller caps. That's basically how it works. It goes from Bitcoin to ETH, and then ETH into the smaller caps, into the mid caps, and then from the mid caps into the small caps, and the small caps to micro caps, or from the mid caps to the micro caps. But it's basically like a fondue fountain. I'm Italian. I talk with my hands. So what do you want? Let's see. Are you secretly John Dalton from BitLab? I'm sorry, I'm not. Killer show, Crypto Anon. I appreciate it, my man. I appreciate it. Yeah, Blockchain Backer did kill it today, dropping some serious knowledge. Smart guy. Definitely go check that out. Let's see. When do the one-on-one trading sessions start? Rafi asks. Hey, if there's demand for them, if you guys want it, I'll give you guys what you want. But yeah, what we are going to be doing is I want to start, we're going to start a Discord, right? That way I can go in and like talk to you guys and update you throughout the day, like where, you know, send you pictures of charts or, you know, what stuff I'm looking at. And then it's also a place for all of you guys to come together and learn from each other. And, you know, hey, I'm seeing this on the chart. Anyone else seeing that? And, you know, someone might be like, oh, I saw that too, but it's invalid. You know, like everyone will just come together and help each other. Everyone can learn from each other. Maybe we'll put some trade calls in that Discord. But yeah, I want to get that together because we are creating a really nice community here in the chat. You guys are all helping each other out. I think the Discord would be a perfect place for that to, you know, continue and grow. So yeah, definitely keep an eye out for that. We're going to be getting that going soon. The fractals are crypto anon. Are you talking about blockchain backer? Yes, they are. His top was 70 to 74, but damn close. Yeah, I mean, no one calls it exactly. Nobody calls it exactly. And if someone says they call the top at exactly 69K, they're lying to you. Nobody knows, like, nobody knows exactly what's going to happen. Like, that's why I think people think like, oh, listen to this person. They know exactly what's going to happen. Nobody knows, right? You can... People have good ideas, right? People can make really educated guesses. Obviously, blockchain backer got super close to calling the top. But like no one has any like secret information. Like no one's talking to Satoshi where Satoshi's like, I'm gonna dump it now. And like they know it's not a thing. It's a market. Like when you look at the charts are actually plotting human emotion, right? Like that's what the market movements are. It's human emotion or whale manipulation, but it's human emotion, right? Like that's why like You want to use TA as a tool. TA is very, very powerful, as you can see on this chart right here. You see that signal. You think it's you can say, I think it's going to go up because of this. Obviously, it did. So charts are super powerful, and for day trading and anything, like charts are always good to know. One of the most powerful things you can know. But if news came out tomorrow that something crazy happened to crypto and like all of crypto is gone forever, like obviously the chart doesn't matter how good the charts look, and vice versa. Like if someone could put out FUD, but like if it's pumping, it's pumping. So it's like that's why it's very important to do your own research. It is super important. You can listen to what I say. Oh, he said Gallo looks like a nice buy, but like don't just buy it off of that. You shouldn't. Like never do that. It's not financial advice. Like no one's telling you to do this stuff. But if you go and you do your own research and you're like, oh yeah, like it kind of looks good to me too, and then you take other people's opinions and you come together, do your own research, then you make the move. Okay. When will Cardano? Pia Cardano, yes. Cardano is an underperformer. I'm sorry. I hold Cardano. I want it to go up too. It underperformed. I don't know. I wish I had an answer for you. I don't know what's going on with Cardano. And the Cardano NFTs, the DEX, you had everything. Everything was going for it. I was really thinking when the Cardano NFTs were popping off, I thought Cardano was finally going to have its rip, but anything can happen in these markets, guys. That's why you got to do your own research and have your stop losses. Anything can happen. Hashtag value. Will's learning something. Super happy to hear that, Will. The big whales are controlling it. Crypto anon. Yes, that's the thing. The market's maturing. We have a lot more institutions. We have a lot more leverage. We got a lot more whales, which is a gift and a curse. The big money comes in, and now the demons are here. But it also helps. It makes it a little more stable, a little less exciting, I guess, in a way. But that's the reality of a maturing market. Let's see. I'll check out SLP, please. Frankster, it's 20% down today. SLP, I don't even know what that is. Let's look at it. Let's take a look, people. Let's take a look. SLP, this is hard. I guess it's a Binance. I don't know what that is, so I hope I'm looking at the right thing here. Down 20% today. Let's check. Oh. Yeah. I don't know if I'm looking at the right thing here, but if this is what you're talking about. Yeah, it's down 20%. It's down 20% because it ripped 165% in the past 5 days. That is definitely why you're down 20% today. So yeah, nothing goes up forever. And I know it seems like some things can go up forever. When it's pumping, it seems like it can go, oh my God, Bitcoin's pumping, it's gonna go up forever. Nothing goes up forever. I mean, I'm not even gonna go into, like, you're most likely dipping down here because you've been ripping uncontrollably for quite some time here. Yeah, that's nothing. Look at that. Zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out. Look at that. You ripped. That's why you're dipping, is because you ripped. That's nothing to, yeah, 175%. You got to come down at some point. You're hitting this support right here. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad for me. Printed a green dot. I mean, this is the 24 minutes, so take it with a grain of salt. Money flow coming out. Let's look at the 4 hour. Yeah, nothing to panic about. SLP, I don't know who asked that, but I mean, you ripped. You went nuts. You got to come down at some point. But yeah, all right, coming into the green on the 4 hour. I mean, this doesn't look horrible. I mean, yeah, you're gonna correct. You were going up for, you're going up for a long time. Now, if you FOMO bought and you saw the rip and you bought up here, I will just simply say, take that as a lesson learned. You made a mistake. It's not a big deal. Everybody does it. Literally everybody does it. So if you're panicking because you bought the top and now it's dipping, the best advice I can give you is don't sell in the red. Unless you have to cut your losses, you put money in that you can't lose and you need to take out your losses. I never recommend selling in the red, but the biggest piece of advice I can say is when something is ripping this much, never buy it. You gotta wait to buy red. You don't wanna buy green, you wanna buy red. You wanna buy red, sell green. Most people buy green and sell red. I don't know if that's what you did, but I'm just saying if you did, take it as a lesson learned. If you caught this rip though, congratulations, because that's a move and a half. I don't even know what that coin is, but there you go. I hope that helps you. Captain Kirk's asking if we think that Bitcoin and ETH will rip during the Super Bowl. Yeah, yeah. I mean, a lot of people are talking about how the Super Bowl is going to be this giant, sell the news event. I mean, I guess a lot of people see it. I don't know. I just don't get like, I mean, who sees a, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it's just the type of person I am. Like, I never like see a commercial and go, oh, I'm gonna buy that now. But I don't know. But yeah, I mean, it'll probably, maybe it'll pump us a little bit. But I don't know if the Super Bowl is like a sell the news event. I don't know. Maybe it is. Maybe I don't know. I don't know. We'll have to see. I mean, I do think maybe it can affect the price a little bit. Maybe I'm completely wrong. Maybe it's gonna rip off the Super Bowl. I don't know. I've never really paid attention to. We've never had ads, crypto ads on a Super Bowl, so I guess we won't know. But I definitely will be keeping a close eye on it. All right, let's see. Let's see. Oh, SLP down. Hang on. SLP. Let's go back here for a second. Oh, we still had it up. Oh yeah. So I don't know what this coin is. Oh boy. Okay. Oh yeah. I mean, if you're in the green here, I don't know what this is. So I don't want to give you bad information, but this just looks like this never. I don't know when this coin came out or if this is a young chart, but I mean, yeah, if you're up right now, I don't know what this is. I wish I had more context what this coin was, but yeah, this thing's just this thing's been going down since this chart started. So yeah, this is maybe get out depending on what kind of coin it is. 165 viewers, 215 likes. Run it up to 250. I'm doing something nuts. I would check my Red Bull, but I'm already chugging it. So let's see. Can you check? Spell, thanks. Spell SPL. L. I don't even know what I'm looking at here, guys. I hope this is the right one. Hashtag wrong one. If what are these meme coins? What are these? They're so let's see. Yeah, I don't know what these are. These look like failed projects, to be honest. Yeah, I don't know. Not much information here. I mean, yeah, I don't know. I mean, you got a green dot on the 2-hour VWAP coming up. I mean, I don't know. I wish I knew more about this. These both that and SLY or whatever that other one was don't look too good. Just as like the chart as a whole. Anyway, okay, let's see. Gala can't stop, won't stop. Is Gala pumping? Are we? Let's go to the 15-minute. Look at that. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Okay, 15-minute money flow crossover. Could we have caught this with this strategy? I love just looking at this strategy. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Live. We're a little late to the party here, but here you go. Perfect example, 4-hour VWAP crossover, right? 4-hour VWAP crossover. Put your line, come down to the 15-minute, and we are pretty dang close. So we actually, on this 4-hour, I don't think we actually crossed over. We're like just touching the tip. Or maybe we did cross, kind of hard to see. But yeah, this could play out. This could play out, guys. 4-hour, 15-minute. Where's it gonna bring us? It's close enough. If you come to the 4-hour, let's say that's not confirmed, right? And it confirms in the next candle. That would mean that you come to the 15-minute. Yeah, I mean, kind of played out, or is kind of looks like it would play out, but not as close as it was on this Leo. This Leo is like the perfect example. Crossover, 15-minute, like exactly at the crossover. That's what you're looking for. But yeah, I mean, Gala's kind of close where you got that 4-hour, we're about to cross over, and then the 15-minute has crossed over already. So not the best example, but hashtag I get it. Or maybe just hashtag value, whatever you want to put in the chat. So I know you guys are understanding this and I'm not just like mentioning VWAP, crossover, money flow, and you guys have no idea. So put a hashtag bing bong, hashtag value in the chat. So I know you guys are understanding what I'm saying and I'm not just like talking gibberish to you guys. Check in chat. Uh, oh, spell was a rug pull. Okay, gotcha. Looked like a rug pull. Is AMP a failed project? I don't think so. But it did. I mean, what is AMP at right now? Let's take a look. 3 cents. I mean, how we were at 5 cents for literally eternity, it felt like. Let's see. Where is, jeez. All right, slowly climbing our way up. Yeah, like it felt like we were, yeah, this area felt like forever. I mean, I guess it was forever. Like how long? What's like from here to here? Oh, 33 days. Where's the daily at? Come on, internet. Don't go down on me again. Come on, you already crashed my stream. Oh, here we go. I'm done. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think, I don't know why these charts are horrible. Probably because I'm looking at Binance. But no, I don't think AMP is a failed project. But it has been like, I mean, I have some AMP. I've been holding it. I think I bought it at 4 cents and then went up to 5 cents and then stayed at 5 cents for like 652 years. And then now it's dumped. I don't know. I don't think it's a failed project. I just don't know what was going on with it. Hashtag value, hashtag bing bong, hashtag value. Okay, so you guys are hashtag bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, bing bong. You guys are understanding what I say. Could you look at SXP? All right, this is probably going to be the last random coin, just because I have no context on these coins. I don't know what they are. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, money flow coming up on the daily. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I mean, you're coming up to resistance. Let's see. Short term, I mean, money flow coming out on the 4 hour, 2 hour. I mean, yeah, it looks like you're, yeah, probably gonna come down. It looks like a little bit, at least. But obviously, guys, like all the altcoins are you know, again, other than those unicorns that you find like Leo, obviously, you know, different. Cosmos Dot sometimes doesn't like to follow things. But like a lot of the altcoins are going to be following what Bitcoin does, or just kind of laying dormant until Bitcoin goes nuts. 161 people, 228 likes. Stop. 228 likes. We're so close to 250. If you guys want to see me do something crazy, maybe chug this water or maybe chug this Red Bull. I'm kidding. Those are kind of boring. But I'll do something crazy. You guys put it in the chat. You pick it. You pick what you think is crazy. And then I'll pick the least painful one out of the chat. No, I'm kidding. I usually pick the worst one, to be honest. I like to entertain you guys. AMP is being taken on Grayscale books, so I would expect something interesting soon. I don't know anything about that. Assuming that's true, that could be huge for AMP. With what percentage of my portfolio do I trade? Good question. Who said that? Thomas said that. What percent of my portfolio do I trade with? I will say this, so you guys can get an idea. Over 90% of my money is invested in good projects, long-term invested in good projects, right? Then I have a small portion of my whole crypto portfolio, all the crypto and all the trading money I have. Over 90% of it is in safer, long-term, good projects that will be around in 5-10 years, I think. It's not in SHIB, it's in Bitcoin, ETH, Cardano, good projects. Even my alts, a lot of my alts are, they're not super risky. They're very, very safe. And then, the last little percentage of my crypto portfolio I use as my trading account. And then when I trade with my trading account, I only use a portion of that money to enter each trade. It's going to depend on you. It depends on your risk tolerance. I have multiple accounts too. So it depends on which account I'm on or what kind of trade I'm taking. It does depend. But you could trade. It depends on how much money you have, how much you want to make, how if I enter a trade that I'm like, it kind of looks good, I want to get into a trade, but I'm not feeling super confident about the move, then I'll trade with a little less. No big deal. But if I'm seeing like something, multiple confirmations, lots of confluence, I'll trade with a little bit more. Also, the higher leverage I use, the lower percentage of my account I use, because I don't, when I use higher leverage, it's riskier. I don't, so I use less of my account because there's a higher chance that I lose it or get liquidated or stopped out. So I hope that answers your question. Keep killing it, Frankie. Smash the likes, guys. Debate crypto in the chat. What's going on? Happy you're here. And he's right. Smash the likes. 238. We're almost at 240. Then we only need 10 more. Do the math. 10. I think we can do it. I think we can do it. We've done it every other time. We're about an hour and 24 minutes into the stream. Let's go. We already went down once, right? We're holding the viewers. We're holding the viewers. We went down. The viewers went down. They came back. You guys are here to stay. You guys are here to learn. You guys are here to make the money. Where's my money? I need my money. I gotta find it. I gotta find it. Guys, somebody seriously stole my money and I'm pissed. I don't know where the money is, guys. Sorry. But yeah, we're here to learn. We're here to have fun. And most importantly, we're here to make that dough, make those bagels, get those sesame seeds, those poppy seeds, those onion flakes, and put them on our bagels. And we're going to break bread together. All right, let's see here. Let's see. Hashtag Bing Bong. Thanks, Chur from NZ. We really need super chats, and he needs his own TJ. How cool would it be if I got my very own? I don't know if you guys know this. I feel like if you guys watch the Hit Network videos, if you're not following Hit Network, definitely follow. There's a lot of behind the scenes of this massive operation we have going on here. This is not. I think a lot of people see TJ on the morning stream, and I remember there was a joke. They were like. They used to call him, they used to like in the chat, they'd be like intern TJ. TJ is the CEO. So I don't know how many people know that. So I like to tell people when they don't know. TJ is the CEO. TJ's boss man. And Ben is boss man too. But yeah, TJ is the opposite of an intern. Let's see. But yeah, okay, so super chats, I was checking. I think, let's check. Let's check real quick. I'm gonna check on this for you. How many watch hours do you need for super chats? You need 5 hours. Wait, what? Hang on. To use super chat, you must give, no. I don't know. I don't want to waste time. But I think you need 4,000 watch hours to be able to monetize your channel. And I looked today. We're at 3.5. We're so close. So we could definitely get super chats probably by the end of this week or maybe next week, depending on how parabolic this channel will go. But yeah, they're coming soon. I'm on lock from YouTube. You guys got to watch the videos. Go watch my new video, Trading Psychology. Most important thing in trading. If you want to be profitable, you got to get your mind right. So go watch that. Crank up those watch hours. I could turn on super chats, and you guys can write funny stuff. And yeah, maybe if we do giveaways or something, small giveaways, you could send a super chat. Well, you could send a small super chat, and I'll write the names of the super chatters on the wheel, and then we'll spin the wheel, and we'll give away something that's better than the amount of money that you sent to do the super chat. I don't know. But super chat's coming soon. Watch those videos. Crank up those hours. All right, let's go. Follow Hit Network. Yes for shenanigans. Yes, if you want to watch Ben, Mr. Bitboy Crypto himself, crash through sheetrock on a one wheel, definitely go look at Hit Network. 144 people, guys, 248 likes. Couple more, guys, couple more. I think we're gonna hit it. Let's go. Let's check good old Bitty Boy here. Okay, did it cross? Oh God, this 4-hour VWAP is teasing us, guys. It is teasing us. It has not crossed yet. We did print another candle. Let's see. Let's assume we cross over here, go to the 15-minute. Yeah, I don't know, guys. That could play out. I would say this. Keep an eye on the 4-hour VWAP. Keep an eye on my Twitter. Keep an eye on my Twitter, because I know not everybody has Market Cipher. Keep an eye on my Twitter. I will shout this out. If I see a good setup with this 4-hour, 15-minute setup on Bitcoin, I'll tweet it. Follow me on Twitter, Frankie_candles, so you don't miss out. I'll keep you guys updated on this. I was hoping it was going to happen on the stream so we can get into a trade live, but it didn't work out. But okay. I mean, we could stream for another 3 hours and 57 minutes. If you don't think I'll do it, you're sorely mistaken. I will. Uh, let's go. 146 people, 250 likes, 250 likes. I wish I had my money so I could just throw my money at the camera. It's really disappointing. Very, very disappointing. All right, well, we'll have the money next time, but let's go. We hit 251. We just ticked over, cracking that 250 resistance on our way to the 300 like Fibonacci level. Can we break that? I don't know. Let's see. 250 baby crypto anon. Let's go. Manpreet. I don't know how to say your name. He says Binance. I don't know what that means, but he says Binance. If Frankie Hour is 250, he'll run around the new studio screaming on his live. Rafi, I'll do that. I'm not scared. Although I can't bring the camera with me. I could run around this studio. We have a lot of studios here. This is a big studio. It's probably like, I don't know. It's really, really big. So I could run around. You guys can see me around past the camera, but I can't take the camera. It's all hooked up and wires and hashtag technology. But yeah, maybe we could do that. Candle closed. Let's see. Smash the likes. Jimmy Two Shoes says, smash the likes. Jimmy, thank you for being here again. Always showing up, always here, always early. I love it. Thank you very much. 144 people. Let's go. 253 likes. I think I just say that as like a habit now. 500 like resistance level coming. Cobra Kai, thank you for being here. Thank you for coming back. I remember you from last time. I remember all of you. And someone said, when this channel blows up, don't forget all the OGs. Never in my life would I forget about the OGs. You guys can meet me at a meetup in 4 years and come up and be like, hey, it's Tyler Durden or it's Cobra Kai. And I'm gonna be like, yeah, I remember you, dude. What's up? I remember you. I will remember you guys. Don't worry. I will remember you. Guys, I can sing. If you guys don't know, I can rap and sing. Ask Captain Kirk in chat. Captain Kirk, am I worst rapper or worst singer? What do you think? Let's see. What do you think about BNB? Love from Italy. Guys, we have the mainland. Guys, we got the boot itself in chat. Let's go. My paisan over here. Let me read. What do I think of BNB? I love BNB. I think BNB was airdropped for free. If you held something on Binance, I think Binance users got airdropped like 500 BNB or 50 BNB or something. I don't remember exactly what it was, like a long time ago. And I don't know if so. Like a long time ago when I first got into crypto, I made a Binance account and then like forgot the password. I didn't have any money on it or anything, but it was like an OG Binance account. And I wonder if that account is sitting somewhere with a ton of BNB, free BNB. I guess we'll never know. But yeah, let's see. BNB, I like BNB. I hold some BNB. What's it doing right now? Let's take a look at the chart skis. BNB, there it is. 408. Okay. Having a little bit of a retrace. Let's pull a Fibberoonie. Here we go. All right. On the 4 hour. I don't like that one. Whoa, guys. We're hacking. Yeah, I like BNB. I hold BNB. I think it's gonna be around for a long time. Generally, chart wise, I mean, it's gonna follow. Rising tide raises all ships. Remember that when you're thinking altcoins and Bitcoin. So, but yeah, as a project, I love BNB. I use it when I use the Binance Smart Chain. I do hold a little bag of it, not a ton, but yeah, I think it'll be around for a long time. I think it's a good coin. I think it's a good I guess a coin. It's a exchange token. Let's see. We will never forget you, Michael. I appreciate that. Never forget me, guys. Never forget me. When you guys take everything you learn on this channel, you guys become bazillionaire traders. And you forget about me. You're not gonna watch my streams. You're gonna be too busy sitting on a yacht. But as long as you remember me while you're sitting on your yacht, I'll be happy. Let's see. What's your backstory, Frankie? How did you get started in crypto, and how did your journey begin? What is Frankie's original story? Rafi, I'll answer that. I'll highlight that. I have gone over it a couple times on the stream. So at the end, I will give you the Frankie Fibonacci story, Frankie Candle story. Let's see. Never forget the Bronx Bitcoin Bulls. Got to have that Bronx Bitcoin meetup. Jimmy, I think at some point we will definitely make our way down over to, you know, the Boogie Down Bronx over there. Yeah, we'll come hang out with you guys in the Boogie Down. You get the espresso ready. I'll bring the coffee cake. You bring the espresso, and we'll chill. And you bring the cannolis, because I'm coming from Georgia. I'm coming from Atlanta. Cannolis are eh. You get the espresso and the cannolis. I'll bring like an Entenmann's coffee cake. How about that? That's what's up. Homeland, Italy in the house. We got Italy in the house. Real Italy. XRP chart. Let's see. Mana still pinning hard. Hashtag Metaverse. All right, we'll look at Mana and XRP. Streaming Frankie Fib from the yacht. Let's go. Let's go. Will ETH run with the alt or hang with Bitcoin as this trend ends? Respect. Jimmy Two Shoes, my paisan. It's hard to say. Usually ETH leads the alts, right? That's typically what we see. We see ETH go and ETH pulls the other alts up with it. But things are weird this cycle. I don't want to put too many like harsh, history doesn't have to repeat, it rhymes, whatever that saying is. You guys know I'm horrible at catchphrases or whatever you want to call those. But yeah, it's hard. We're seeing a lot of weird stuff go on in this cycle. So I do think ETH will run. I'll say yes to that. But just remember that we're in a weird cycle here. So who knows what's going to happen. Let's see. Do you think Gala will go up or down from here, looking for potential entry point? Let's take a look at Gala real quick. Who asked that? Who was that? Chris Weeks. What's up, bro? Thank you for being back here. You always hanging out in the chat. Love to see you. That's Bitcoin, not Gala. Here we go. Here's Gala. I think, listen, if this weekly VWAP plays out, right, and we get a big bounce, and we go up to about 40, 48, 46, 48, 50K for Bitcoin, yes, I think Gala's going to go up. Honestly, I'm looking to stack my metaverse and gaming tokens because I think, we don't know how they would act in a bear market, but like even in a bear market, I feel like there's just so much stuff fundamentally going on with the metaverse and gaming tokens that it's kind of hard for them not to be around. You know what I mean? We could be in a bear market, but if Gala comes up with a huge game and everyone's onto it, I think it would rip even if we're in a bear market. So I think they might decouple from the traditional crypto market just because of fundamentally what's going on, right? Like when the metaverse is being used all the time, I don't know if it's going to matter if we're in a bear market for these coins to just go. Especially when you have coins that are tied that you need to use in the game. If that game gets played, people are going to be buying those tokens because they need them to use them in the game. So yeah. That's my, Gala's, I think Gala's going to go up from here if Bitcoin keeps pumping. If Bitcoin dumps from here, will Gala go down? I think so. But I am looking to accumulate a lot more metaverse and gaming stuff for the reasons I just explained. Let's see. Ireland in the house. We got the Irishmen and the paisans in the house, guys. I love that you guys are coming from all over the place. I love it. 150 viewers, guys. We're going up, we're going down, we're going up. But steadily holding the viewers. I love it. I love it. Are you guys here for the knowledge or the entertainment? Or are you guys here for the edutainment? Let me know in the chat. Let's see. Keep smashing them likes. Morgan says keep smash. Morgan, how do you say your last name? I don't know. Morgan Tom Show. Hey, Morgan. I swear I'm writing down what we should clip here. Morgan clips the live streams for us here. She's awesome. She's crushing the clip game. If you guys want to check out my Instagram, Frankie_Candles, there's some pretty funny clips up there. One where I'm doing wall sits with a burrito underneath me. It's pretty funny. Go check it out and follow me on Instagram. But Morgan, thank you for everything you do. You help out a lot, and you're killing it. But yeah, Tom Show, I don't know if I'm butchering it, but thank you for tuning in. Let's see. Let's go, my boy. Oh, Jimmy. Oh, God. Korazaka. Jimmy. We got Jimmy Two Shoes. We got Jimmy Bag of Donuts. We got Jimmy. We got so many Jimmys in here. A lot of Jimmys. You guys know that we're the New York stream here. You guys, you know, we're in the New York Bagel Factory. You guys know you could sniff out those bagels. All the Jimmies, all the Vinnies, they all come over. They all come over. All right, let's see. Thoughts of knowledge, hashtag, oh, knowledge. Let's go. Here for the knowledge. Here for Crypto Anons. Here for both entertainment and knowledge. Thumbs up from Portugal. Let's go, guys. Worldwide. We're going, Mr. Worldwide. What's wrong? Why am I like this? We got people from Portugal. I love it. I love to see you guys coming in from all over. What time is it in Portugal right now? Let's see. Knowledge. All three. Let's go. Chris Weeks is here for everything. Let's go. Texas in the house. Let's go. Brandon is from Texas. Let's see. Here for Frankie. The TA is a bonus. Rafi, I appreciate you, my man. Let's see. Both. Let's see. Canada here. Honk your horn for the truckers. That's my horn. That's the hip hop air horn. Let's see. Are you not edutained? I like that. Who said that? I got to give you credit. Brad, if I ever forget you said that, say it to me in the chat because I'm stealing that. Are you not edutained? You're a smart person. I'm stealing that. But I'll give you credit. Brad said it first. Let's see. California, baby, let's go. Ireland, let's go. Is Siacoin dead? I don't know about Siacoin. Scotland, Highlands in the house. Let's go, guys. We are from everywhere. Are there just people just saying like they're from random places? Or are you guys actually from there? Let's see. Honk honk. Frankie Candles, Consigliere, chart boss. Let's go. Gladiator Maximus. All right, what do we got here? 264 likes, guys. We smashed through the 250 resistance. Let's go. Yeah, look at this. Let's come down to a lower time frame here on Gala. Look at that. Well, let's go to the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, baby. Yeah, let's go. Green dot on the 4-hour money flow crossover. Let's check that. Boom. Coming down to the 15-minute. Yeah, close enough. I mean, yeah. Oof, look at that. Could have caught that. I don't. Yeah, could have caught that. 17%. Oof. Guys, I'm like low key kind of looking for a trade. I want to get into trades. Next time when I do get into a trade, even if it's at home, if it's on the weekend or something, I don't usually trade the weekends. Less people trade on the weekends, so it's kind of markets act a little bit weird. Sometimes I do. I'm not gonna lie, but I want to be getting into some trades live on stream, but I don't want to force it. Wish I could have caught that Gala move. All right, let's see. Winnipeg in the house. Let's go. Do the like smash. Jimmy Two Shoes says do the like smash. ACH. Hey, Sammy. I got you. ACH. Let's see. Everybody wants to see their alts. I get it. Look at the Binance chart. Is this going to be like super young chart again? Okay, no. Oh, wow. Look at this, guys. Wow. Would you just look at it? All right, let's see. What kind of pump did you get from this bottom? 72%. Ooh, baby. Look at that. All right, short term. Let's see. Let me go back to the daily real quick. Of course, no information as always. Great, love that. Let's see. Kind of just, yeah. What is up with this money flow? Money flow just binging and bonging. Look at that. Green, red. Yeah, let's short term. Maybe pull a fib. I mean, there's like very little information on this. I don't know what the project is. I don't really know what to say here. Yeah, I don't know. It's hard to say. I don't know if it's a new coin or like I typically don't look at coins. Like today's kind of the first time I've been looking at altcoins that I haven't heard of or haven't really looked at that much. Just for this reason, like I don't know what chart I'm looking at. I don't know why there's no data. But yeah, I don't want to misguide you on here at all. I have no idea what I'm looking at, and there's not that much information. So I'm sorry about that, but I mean, 1 hour, yeah, daily. I mean, you pumped, you wicked all the way up to here. Maybe you cool off. I don't know. I don't want to give you bad information. There's not a lot of information on this chart. So sorry about that. What is ACH? I wish I knew. Sammy, no problem. Sorry, I couldn't help you out that much. It's just I don't. Crypto Phase called it the BitBoy green dot the other day. Yeah, we do call green dots. Everybody calls them the BitBoy green dots. Yeah, I have heard people say that as well. Yeah, Sammy, sorry about that. I tried my best. Brad says the 4 hour, 15-minute setup is the real deal. 50x edutainment. Let's go. You guys got to long that edutainment. Let's see. AD says they partner with Avax, Neo, Polygon. Quite a few more. Interesting. John says he loves looking at viewers' altcoin requests. Hey, maybe we'll keep doing it then. Yeah, we will keep doing it. It's just hard when there's like, I pull up a chart that has like very little information on it. It could be me picking the wrong exchange, but for me to click through all those to try to find the best one and then get everybody's altcoin would be impossible. But yeah, we'll keep looking at your alts. I like doing that, especially at the end of the stream. You guys want to call out random altcoins, I'm happy to look at them for you and give you my thoughts. Let's see. It won't last because traditional finance. ACH is auto clearinghouse. Okay. Alchemy Pay. Okay. Let's see. Two sick guys. We're at 269. You know why 269 is a special number, right? It's because it's one away from 270. And we didn't get to 270. All right. Let's see. 270. There we go. Is this the Fugazi bull run? Forget about it. Jimmy, you're funny. You're a funny guy. Let's see. What are your top 5 coins to watch right now besides Bitcoin and ETH? I would say I would watch Gala. BJ says Doge. Okay. I would say Gala. Take a look at Gala. Dot. I think Dot is. I just feel like Dot never really had its time. So I think Dot is definitely one to keep an eye on. Currently still in that trade. Real quick update on that. We were at 267%. Now we're at 277%. So we're going up, baby. But yeah, keep an eye on Dot. Keep an eye on Gala. XRP, I mean, who's not always keeping an eye on XRP, guys? Because XRP is high risk, high reward, right? They have the lawsuit going on. I mean, if that goes their way, that could be huge for XRP. So I'm always watching XRP. Atom, always fun to trade, always has good moves. So I like watching Atom. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. And what is Near doing right now? Yeah. I'm having a hard time picking this last one. I don't. I would say. What did we say? We got Gala, Dot, XRP, Atom. I would say Mana. Keep a lookout for Mana and Leo. Like I said, Leo was brought to my attention like right before I came on stream, so I don't know that much about it. But I mean, I guess this thing is. I don't really know why it's pumping. Someone said something about SHIB. SHIB was dragging it up or something. I don't really know. But maybe keep an eye on this one because this thing popped. All right, and that's pop with a hard P, guys. If you didn't get that. BJ, what's going on, my guy? Rafi says hi, BJ. I'm kidding. He left. I just said that to the wall. Yeah, what do you think XRP will go to if they win? I'll answer that question as honestly as I can. Let's take a look. I mean, there's no magic 8-ball that tells me what price it'll go to. It's going up. Definitely going to go up. It also depends on how it ends, like what actually happens. What is the all-time high for? Was it like $4? No, when is this? 18. Yeah. I mean, it's hard to say. I mean, I think we'll pass the last all-time high. I mean, it's gonna go. It's gonna go. You have so many people waiting for this, and it's gonna be such big news. It also could be really, really good for like the entire crypto market, right? You might see everything kind of pump with that. Originally, not so much anymore. I mean, not. I'm very cautious right now in this market environment. But if XRP wins this lawsuit and they get regulational clarity, it could be good for the whole market because maybe we'll get clarification on like what makes a crypto safe or not a security. We will get clarification for the space, for the crypto space in general, which could be huge for the entire cryptocurrency space. So I think it'll be big. I think it'll definitely go above my 48 cents average buy-in cost. So yeah. Let's see. Hashtag XR. Guys, if you're XRP Army, put it in the chat. I know you guys are out there repping all the time. XRP to 5. Oh, that's right. I should have said that. It's going to $589. I'm kidding. That's a joke. Clip it. If Morgan, if you're still here, clip that. It's a joke. I'm not saying it actually going to 589. That's just a joke. An ongoing joke in the crypto space. Then 10K, then 35K. God. There was a story about the Fed buying back every XRP token from every holder for $35,000 a token or a coin. I'm going to go ahead and say it's probably never was true, never going to be true, because that would make a lot of bazillionaires. I would be a bazillionaire if that happened. I would wish it would happen, but I don't think the Fed's just going to go around and just hand out bazillions of dollars. XRP all-time high around $3. I was going to say $3. I guess it's I don't know why that was. Am I looking at the wrong why? I couldn't find the all-time high here. I don't know why. But yeah, $3. So yeah, maybe. I mean, I think we definitely go past that. It's gonna rip. It's definitely gonna rip. People have been waiting for this. Cardano is ripping right now. Am I getting trolled? I guess I'll just take the bait and find out. Who said it? Make everything pump. Let's see. Crypto Anon, John Connor, XRP Army, Brad, XRP Army. Let's go, Brandon, Ada Gang. I like that. Okay, let's see. Cardano's ripping right now. Okay, yeah, let's see if we're getting trolled. Possibility, no guarantees. And, okay. Let's go down to the 1 minute degen chart, guys. Let's go. Look at that. In the past, let's see. In the past 29 minutes, we're up 8%. Could have caught a mean trade off of that. I don't know if Femex has Cardano to trade leverage. Maybe KuCoin does. I don't know. But yeah, that was a rip, and she's still going. All right. Let's see. Cup and handle on the 30-minute. Captain Kirk says cup and handle on the 30-minute. I think XRP will go to $4 or $5 short term. Long term, on down the road, it might hit 100. Maybe. Barry. Maybe. I hope it hits 100. That would be very, very good. Let's see. Captain Kirk. KDA, cup and handle on the 30-minute. Let's see. Taking a look. See. Oh, wow. Is this what you're talking about, Captain Kirk? Is this what you're talking about? I see it. 30-minute, you said? KuCoin won't let you trade leverage on KDA. Oh, that's a bum. That's a bummer. Let's see. All right. Yeah. Is this is the cup and handle you're talking about? I think it is. All right, guys. We've been live for an hour and 53 minutes. We hit 272 likes. Guys, we're so close to 300. But 250 was the goal. If you guys could hit the like button, get us closer to 300. We smashed the 250 resistance. We're back up to that 300 like Fibonacci level where we're likely to see resistance. But let's try to get up there and get a little bounce. But yeah, what do you guys want to see me do here? We got our like goal. Put your challenges in the chat. And we'll try to do something fun. Let's see. Is Bitcoin pumping today? Not really. We kind of corrected, but we did pump a little bit as well. Let's see. let's see. You're a legend. Thank you. J8, I appreciate that. You're the man. TD, guys, TD in the chat. He's late, but it's okay. He's here for the last 4 minutes, the most important 4 minutes, where we do our challenge for hitting our like goal. Tony, we hit our like goal. We got TJ, special appearance. We have the man, the myth, the legend, TJ on stream.
Hey guys, where's the camera? Oh, right
he's
there.
like, yeah, right there.
Nice.
Yeah, I was telling him. It's good. We got a bunch of people in chat. Yeah, we were just we hit our like goal, 250.
Nice.
We're at 277.
Beautiful.
So yeah, we're having a good time.
Well, I'm just rolling out. Do you know the code? You know how to?
Yeah.
Okay. Just making sure you know that. I'm out.
Cool.
Tell the chat I said hello. Everybody's doing good. Just get a little dose of Frankie.
Oh yeah, get a live show. See you guys later. See ya. TJ, ladies and gentlemen, that is the man, the myth, the legend. All right, let's see here. I just double checked. Also, the cup and handle right side doesn't look nearly as high as the left. Yeah, I do agree. I do agree with that. KuCoin canceled 2 of my losses. Captain Kirk, hi TJ. Scalping strategy course. Brad, yes. Strategy videos. Woo, baby, that second hour is getting me today. I can't even talk. The scalping strategy, I will be making a scalping video. The next videos I'm going to put out, I wanted to get the psychology video out today because I think it's really important that you guys get that down before you start trading. So next up is Market Cipher. I think I'll be able to bang those out pretty quick. I'm going to show you guys how to read Market Cipher B, how to read Market Cipher A. I'll go through all the features of it. And then we'll talk about trading strategies. I'll start putting them out, and you guys can start taking some actionable steps to actually getting into trades. And then once the Discord's up, it'll be really cool because it's kind of like I can just jump on Discord, and it's basically like I'm texting you guys, like you're my friends, right? So, and you are my friends, but I don't have your phone numbers. Don't put your phone numbers in chat. It's okay. I wish I could give everybody my phone number. That would be so cool. But Discord's kind of like that, right? I could just hop on my phone and be like, hey guys, I'm looking at this setup. I get to send pictures, look at this, and that. Kind of looks like a good spot, whatever. Never financial advice, obviously. But, yeah, I think the Discord's gonna be really cool. It's a cool way for us to communicate, when I'm not sitting at a desk on a computer talking to the camera. I could kind of just keep up with you guys. It'll be like a constant YouTube chat at all times. I love it. Still 150 people, guys, 280 likes. If there's 20 people in this stream that have not hit the like button, just sneak over. It's right underneath the video. It's super close. If you're on a TV, I don't know. Ben knows all the steps. Like hit back, go down, options, more options, like, and then you got to go back to the video. I don't know. But whatever you're watching on, hit those likes. If you have not smashed the like, please hit the like. We're so close to 300 likes. And put your challenges in chat if you want to see me do something crazy, because you guys did smash that 250 like goal. We got people liking. Let's go. Okay, let's see. Another one. Tim says another one. I don't know why. I might have missed his earlier chat, but he says another one. Okay. Hey TJ. Oh, tell TJ to get you a TJ. I should have told him that when he was standing here. They said I need a Hey TJ, they said I need a TJ. That would have been a perfect way to bring it up, guys. Oh my God. I beefed it. That was my big shot. Okay. That would be really cool if I could get like maybe BJ could be my TJ. That would be hilarious because BJ can sit there and he could chime in too. That would be cool. Let's see. Will you do any videos for people that are just starting out trading who can't afford Market Cipher? Jamie, welcome to the stream. I don't know if you've been here before. I think it might be your first time. Yeah, definitely. If you watch my Finding Key Levels videos, there's some good information in that. And yeah, I'm going to be showing you, it's not going to be all Market Cipher stuff. Although Market Cipher is very powerful, there are ways, with traditional TA, traditional patterns, that you don't need Market Cipher to trade, but it definitely helps. But yeah, no, I'll be teaching you guys all different types of, all different strategies with Market Cipher, without Market Cipher, absolutely. But my advice to you would be to go watch that Finding Key Levels video. That way you can get on the charts and start to find key levels that are gonna, have prices bounce around. So you could start off and have a good foundation, draw your key levels, and then use some other techniques that we'll talk about to add confirmations to, you might be coming down to a key level, right? And then, you can combine that with other indicators that aren't, expensive, and other TA to confirm that it's a good entry or a bad entry. So yes, a quick answer, yes. Let's see. If ETH goes back up, what's a good resistance to sell and buy back in? I would say I am looking to sell some ETH. 3,200, that would have been a play. Come up, sell it, drop down, get a 5% discount, 6% discount. I would say, yeah. I mean, let's see. I would see how Bitcoin performs, right? If we can rip back up to 48 to 50K, ETH is most likely going to rise as well. So if that does happen, we could talk about that when we get there. But yeah, like you want to have these key levels drawn, right? So you have this key level drawn, that when you're coming, if you watch the Finding Key Levels video, you would know you could have these key levels, your support's here, your resistance here, and you would have seen price come up to this level and you would have expected a bounce, right? And you would have seen it wick above it, right? But you would have, now that it has come up, you can draw this as, where is my rectangle tool? Giving you guys a little tips in the sauce. So, you can draw your resistance as a range like that. So now when you come back up, I've mentioned a million times why you should draw it as ranges. That was just kind of a little tip. As you can see that we broke out and came back down. But if you had this key level drawn, you would have known that when you came here, you were going to get at least some sort of a reaction down. So you could have, if you watched the Finding Key Level video, you could find out how to draw these lines. So you could catch these, I think, we're coming up to that resistance. We're going to dump down. And that's how you could find those levels to sell and buy back in, or short or long. Hope that answers your question. All I need is Frankie to trade. Pearls says all he needs is Frankie to trade. Hey, Pearls. I'll be your trader for you. Don't worry. I got you. All right, let's see. Prank call TJ on live stream. While I'm streaming, I assume you mean, because I will not prank TJ while he's live on BitBoy Crypto. Remember, Ben and TJ are both, they could fire me if they wanted to. No, I'm kidding. Well, not really, but yes, maybe I could prank call TJ on stream. Nah, I don't know. Maybe you guys are getting risky with these. Let's see. Show us how to draw fib. Jimmy Two Shoes. You're not Jimmy Two Shoes. Jimmy Void's Jimmy Two Shoes. You're Jimmy Bag of Donuts. Show us how to draw the fibs, please. If you watch my Finding Key Levels video, I show you how to do how to draw the fib retracements. We're running out of time here, but I do show you in the Finding Key Levels video, so go check that out for sure. I break it down very simply. You'll watch that video and be able to go right onto the chart, go to whatever coin you want, and draw that fib level. Let's see. I will watch that key level video. Thanks. Of course, anytime. Nicole Studios. Anytime. Thank you for being here. Smash it, bop it, hit it, click it. Frankie's got our winning ticket. Captain Kirk, somebody frame that. If someone frame that, and I'll put it behind me on the live streams. Let's go. I love that. Captain Kirk, you're awesome. Hey, Captain Kirk. How about this? How about you? Hang on. Okay. Let's see. Tell him you hit his car. Oh my God. I don't know if TJ watches these. Imagine I'm just like, oh TJ, I backed into your GTR. Sorry. That would be good. But you want to kind of know the funny thing though? I kind of feel like if I was like, hey, I backed into your GTR, I could be wrong, but I feel like TJ would be like, okay. I'd be like, yeah, it's like really messed up though. It's like, okay. I'll just get it fixed. That's what I feel like. Maybe not, but I'm pretty sure he'd be very cool about it. So maybe I'll prank him. We'll think of a funny prank, but I don't know if I don't think that'll get him going. I just don't. TJ could get his car fixed if he needs to. Although I would want to fix it. I would not let him fix it because I'd feel really bad if I actually did hit his car. But yeah, we'll have to get something to. I don't think that'll really freak him out that much. Let's see. No problem, bro. Let's see. Finally, he read it, Captain Kirk. Yeah, that one almost got by. That almost got by me. Let's see. Yes. Keep it for April 1st. Okay, yeah, okay. We'll hold on to it for April 1st. All right. Well, guys, we've been alive for 2 hours and 40. Oh my God, we're at 290. We're at 290, guys. We gotta hit 300. We're gonna be here all night. We're gonna be here all night till we hit 300 likes. Let's see. Man, if I had a GTR, I would not be cool with that. Yeah, listen. Both Ben and TJ are so cool. Like with their I've driven the Lamborghini a bunch, like countless times. I've driven the GTR a ton of times. Like I'll never forget when I first got here. Like TJ's car was in the shop, and I'll never forget. I was like, GTR and a Lamborghini are like my dream cars. And I remember talking to TJ, and I'm like, yeah, man, that's crazy. I would love to see it. And he was like, yeah, you'll drive it. And I was like, really? He goes, yeah. And like he just let me drive it, like no problem. Didn't even think twice about it. Like they genuinely get joy out of seeing people like enjoy their stuff too. So it's I don't know. They're like the coolest people. They really are. Let's see. Tell them the studio is on fire. Oh my God. Rafi says not the GTR. We're with you all night. Oh, 294, baby. Let's go. But yeah, John said we're here all night. Let's go. I will be here as long as you got 295, guys. 5 more likes to hit 300. That's a 50 over our like goal. Put those challenges in chat. I don't know if I missed any of them, but I didn't see any. 300 likes deserves a challenge. Or I guess pranking TJ is the thing you guys want. But let's do another. I'll do one right now, and then we can work on the prank for TJ anyway. Let's see. Smash it, bop it, hit it, click it. Frankie's got our winning ticket. Guys, we gotta make a sign. Somebody. Morgan, clip it. It's smash it, bop it, hit it, click it. Frankie's got our winning ticket. That's right. And that winning ticket could be a BitBoy green dot. The winning ticket could be a 4-hour VWAP 15-minute money flow crossover with Confluence. We got you, Bentley. Let's go. 296. 296. Look, I'm already dancing. That's usually the challenge. I'm dancing like I'm a monkey. I'm trying to get these 5 likes out of you guys. Let's see. 50x3 chain link. Let's see. 297. Let's go. Oh, Frankie's story. All right. Okay. Hang on. Okay. Lot of good comments right there. 50x3 chain link. That's enticing. Although, 3 chain link. Okay. The thing is, like, I really want to do these fun challenges with you guys, but I do want to be like super up front about like, if we ever do that stuff like 50x leverage, 100x leverage as like fun or a challenge or a punishment, I want to be clear that I don't recommend anybody use that high leverage and just jump into a trade. Obviously, you guys know it would just be for fun. I'd be using very low amount of money. But I do like the whole like point of this channel is that I want to show you guys how to be responsible traders and actually make money, because a lot of people like they jump into leverage trading and they go crazy and they wind up losing a lot of money. I don't ever want to condone anything like that. So if we do it, just as a joke, it will have to be very clearly a joke, and I just want to make that clear. But that 50x3 chain link is very, very enticing. So maybe that's some of the challenges we can do. Maybe put them on the wheel. Maybe that's what we do with the wheel. We could add some punishments and we can add some stuff like that. Maybe one will be a giveaway. We'll have some fun with that wheel. But what was the other? I just saw another good one. Got it, Frankie, pop it. Sing a song. Oh, the story. You guys want the story? Okay. We'll give you the story real quick. They said sing a song. All right, I'll sing a song. I'll give you the short story. Chug your Red Bull and run around the studio. Okay, hang on. Hold up. Hey. You guys know that song? There you go. I sang a song for you. Sang a song. We're going to chug the Red Bull. We're going to run. We're going to do the story. Was there another one? Was there another one? What was the other one? Just Captain Kirk says, just don't rap it though. Ooh, Captain Kirk. If you guys don't know, Captain Kirk is going to be my rap coach because it didn't go good last time. It wasn't good at all, like even a little bit. So she's going to show me how to rap better. So when the guys from Meta Money want to battle me, I'm ready, and I got Captain Kirk like in my corner training me. I love that. But anyway, yeah, 299 guys, almost 300. Okay, if we hit 300, I'm doing 3 challenges. 300, I'm chugging the Red Bull and the water. I'm running around, and I'll give you guys the quick story. How about that? And then even if it hits 300 and we go down again, I'll still do it. I never understand why people unlike. That's interesting. Like you hit it by accident. I don't know. All right, so we'll start with the story real quick because we are running out of time here. We're 210 minutes, 2 hours and 10 minutes. What was the story? Oh, okay. So basically, always been interested in stocks. Always been interested in TA, reading the charts. Like even when I was in high school, I was very interested in it. Probably wouldn't have gone to college if it wasn't such like a thing that was pressured on the youth. But never really traded in high school or anything. But like I was definitely into it. Like always was researching like how to read charts and all that. And then I invested in stocks. And then basically how I got into crypto was in 2015, 2016. Bought some XRP. Started messing around with crypto, learning about it. And 300, baby. Let's go. All right, you guys are getting all 3 challenges. Let's go. Rafi, thank you. I appreciate that. But yeah, got into crypto 2015, 2016. Started trading. Started learning about the crypto markets. And then that was my first cycle. Made some money, but mostly that was the cycle I learned in. And then like after the bull run, I really just never. Everybody walked away from crypto. I kind of just always stayed up on it. Was always always just researching. I just stuck with it. And then this bull run started coming around, and I got super excited. And yeah, so I would say I started trading probably like 2016, 2017, like seriously and like actually trying to do something and learn. And then yeah, all the way up until today. And then I used to live in New York. Right. And I watched the BitBoy Crypto channel a lot. I was a big fan. I noticed they needed help with some stuff here on the channel that I could help them with. And so I just sent a cold email, not thinking they would ever see it. And I sent the email. 5 minutes later, TJ called me on my phone. I saw I saw the area code of Georgia, and I was like, no way. I answered it because I do have family down in Georgia. Answered the phone call. He's like, hey, it's TJ from BitBoy Crypto. And I didn't believe him. I was like, what? He's like, yeah, it's TJ from BitBoy Crypto. I was like, oh, hi. And 2 weeks after that, I flew down to Georgia for an interview. I worked for 3 days to see, if it was a good fit. And then 2 weeks after that, I picked up my whole life and moved down to Georgia to come join everybody here at BitBoy Crypto and Hit Network. And it's been one of the best things for me that I've done ever. And I found really good people. I said this on the last stream. Sometimes they say, the people that you're around, the people in your hometown are you think those are your people, and it's not necessarily true. Sometimes you got to leave where you're from and go find your people. So, and that's what I did. And I think it's really important that, there's so many people out there, the people you're surrounded by might not be your people. And I think it's important. So if you don't know where your people are, go find your people. I highly suggest it. Your whole life will change. Your whole life will change. Anyway, there's that quick Frankie story. Probably dragged on for a little too long there. What do we got? 2 minutes and 13 seconds. We're gonna do chug the Red Bull. We're gonna do run around the. We're gonna yeah. I don't know if I need to chug this Red Bull. I'm already going, but. There you go. Spilled it. And I'm going to run around the studio. You guys won't be able to see this, but you're going to have to trust me when I come back out of breath. Okay, I was gonna run more, but I slipped and I slipped and hit my elbow and fell. So I'm actually gonna call that one short, guys. But you see, I'm out here injuring myself. So there you go. That's what you get for 300 likes. I can't believe that just happened. It's very dusty on this floor, and it's just like flat concrete, and I just ate it. I'm really upset that that wasn't able to be clipped, and you guys couldn't see that on camera. That was, oh God, I can't believe it just happened. Well, guys, I think John Connor says fake. That was not fake, I swear to God. If you could see or feel these floors, you would know. Actually, I have pretty good shoes on too. I don't know why I fell. But yeah, we have like these big metal doors, and I slipped and landed right into that. But I think that's all I got, guys. Let me come back to the little FaceTime here. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate all of you guys. We ran it up to over 300 likes. That's amazing. It always blows my mind that we're able to do that. I love seeing everybody in the chat. I hope I was able to provide some value for you guys. Excuse me, chugging that Red Bull. But yeah, thank you so much. I love you all. I'm going to go stay up for another 7 hours and stare at the charts till my eyes bleed because I'm not going to sleep anytime soon. But yeah, I love you guys all. Go find your people. That's the little quote of the day. Go find your people. Thank you so much. That's all I got. Frank Candles out.